Hello learners, welcome to 3LOKBABA YouTube channel. My name is Trilok. In this video, we are going to learn basic logical function in MS Excel, which is if function. If function is very much important in MS Excel. What is meant by an if function? If function is used when you are having a conditional statement, when you want to pass a conditional statement, when you want to pass the arguments to make it true or false. In that case, we have to use the if function in MS Excel. If you see the syntax is having three different categories. One is logical test. What if it is a value is true? What if it is value is false? There are three categories. Now let's try to understand these three categories. Logical test. What if it is a true? What if it is a false? Logical test. In this logical test, we will be giving the condition. We'll be giving the condition. If the condition is satisfied, what kind of a message you want? If the condition is not satisfied, what kind of a message you want? For example, if you see, I would like to know whether a student is passed in a particular exam or not. Now, I have given a condition. If the student gets more than 35 marks, he is passed. He is passed. If the student gets less than 35, he is called as a failed. When the condition is satisfied, it will return pass. If the condition is not satisfied, then it will return a fail. Let's see with an example. We'll try to understand how to use the if formula in MS Excel. Let's try to understand how to use the if formula in MS Excel. We have a beautiful example to understand the if function. There are a couple of student names and their marks for this particular subject. We are going to identify whether the following student has been passed in this subject or not by using if condition. My condition is very simple. If the person gets more than 35, I would like to call him as pass. If the person didn't satisfy my condition, I would have to call him as fail. If, open bracket, my logical test is if the marks are greater than 35, I would like to call him as pass. If the marks are less than 35, he will return as a fail. Now let's see, close the bracket and then enter. So we got a status as a pass because the condition has been satisfied. He got more than 35. Let's drag this formula till here. Now we can see there is one student, Sudhin, is failed in financial management. He got 34 because the condition is not satisfied. That's why it returned a false. Now let's try to give a numbers also. As of now, we have given the alphabets. Now we'll give a numbers. So 1 is called as a pass and 0 is called as a fail. Let's see, very simple. Equals to if the marks are greater than 35, I would have to give them as 1. If the condition is not satisfied, so it will return a 0. Then close the bracket and see here. See, so 0, he got 0 here. Why he got 0 means the condition has been failed. So if the condition is failed, then we get a fail status. So this is how we have to use the if formula in MS Excel. I hope you have enjoyed this video. And if you like my video, kindly share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon to get notification on latest videos. Thank you so much. Signing off, 3LOKBABA.